How to calculate tension on an inclined surface. Step number 2, we have to draw free body diagram for both objects. Step number 4, we have to indicate what direction. Step number 3, we indicate direction. Positive, negative, up is positive, down is what? As negative. The net force for these vertical forces, they are going to be 0, so we are not going to include these forces. So to be safe, we are going to start with what? Positive variables. No? So we have positive tension plus negative FG parallel plus negative what? Frictional force, MA. Tension, positive times negative is negative. The value of FG parallel, so FG parallel is equals to mg sine theta. (19.6 Newton). So there's no need for us to calculate frictional force because if we are given frictional force for 4 kg block, so we are going to substitute. Positive times negative is negative, so 6.79 Newton is equals to the mass of this block 4, but we don't have the value of acceleration. So when we add these variables, so negative 19.6 minus 6.7, we are going to have t minus 26.39 is equals to 4a. Equation number 1. We are done with equation number 1. We have to create equation number 2. We always start with what? Positive variables. So F applied on a positive direction plus negative FG parallel plus negative tension plus negative frictional force is equals to MA. The value of applied force 120. The value of FG parallel. The value of FG parallel, we are going to get 24.5. minus. We are given the value of frictional force. There's no need for us to calculate frictional force. We just have to do it to substitute. So let's substitute. We forgot to include tension. So we add or subtract the like terms. We're going to get negative T plus (5a). So we have to substitute, we have to transpose 87.01 to the right. Negative T is equals to 5a So we have equation 1 and equation number 2. Ne? So we can substitute 5 here. Yeah. So T plus negative T, 0. Plus equation number 2. (4a plus 5a is equals to 9a. 26 plus 39 minus 87.09, we are going to get negative 60.62. We have to transpose this value to the left. It changes sign. It becomes what? Positive 62.62 is equals to 9a. We substitute. We divide both sides by 9. 9 cancels 9. So the value of acceleration, 6.74. So we are going to choose equation 1 or equation 2 to calculate tension. So tension is equals to 4a comma 9, the value of tension. Sometimes you'll be given like this structure. Let me draw it. You have 5 kg. How to deal with this structure? 4 kg. So the surface exerts the frictional force of 2 Newton on 5 kg block. Ne? So how to calculate tension? We have 5 kilogram block, and also we have 4 kilogram block. Ne? So these two vertical forces, they do what? They cancel each other. Ne? We are not going to include these vertical forces. Ne? We are not going to include them. And we don't have what? Oh, a surface, meaning that we don't have what? Normal. Tension and what? And FG. Ne? So we have to do it now. We have to indicate direction. Positive, negative. Ne? Sorry for making this mistake. It's tension. Ne? Tension, not F. Tension. Ne? So tension, positive direction, and frictional force, negative direction. Ne? So if tension is positive, meaning that if tension is positive on 5 kg block, meaning that tension will be what? Will be negative on 4 kg block. So if this side is negative, this side is going to be what? Positive. Ne? So F net is equals to MA. We always start with positive variables, as we know. So tension plus negative frictional force is equals to MA. So tension is equals to what? We are given the value of frictional force. The mass 5 5A, it transpose 2, it becomes what? Positive. So it's what? It's equation number 1. We are done with equation number 1. We move to equation number 2. So F net is equals to MA. So we have what? FG. We have FG plus negative tension. FG is equals to mg. FG is equals to mg. Ne? So 9 mg. So 4 multiplied by 9.8. Ne? Equation number 2. So we have to add equation 1 and equation 2. Always t plus negative t, we are going to have 0. Always on the left, we're going to have 0. So 5a plus so acceleration is equals to, the value of acceleration equals to 4,36 Newton. So we have to choose between equation 1 or equation 2 to calculate tension. So I'm choosing equation 1 as always. So 5a plus 2. So 5, the value of acceleration, we're going to have what? 23,8 Newton. Thank you.